How to enable price alert on CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Setting up a price alert on CoinEx helps you track crypto prices without staring at charts all day. So here's how you do it. Start off by opening up the CoinEx application on your device and sign into your account. Make sure that you're logged into your CoinEx account, and once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and select Market. Inside the Markets tab, choose the coin that you want to open the trading page for. Now on the next page, scroll down and select your trading pair, and you'll be taken to this chart page. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on Alert icon. On the next page, click on Create at the bottom with a plus sign in it. Now select whether you'd like to be alerted when the price rises to, falls to, 24-hour gain reaches or 24-hour loss reaches. I'm just going to tap on price rises to. On the next field, enter the value when you want to be alerted. Once you are done, select the frequency from the bottom, how many times you want to be alerted. I'm just going to select only once. Now click on Confirm from the bottom, and you have enabled price alert on CoinEx for the chosen currency pair. You'll now receive notifications when the price hits your provided level. If you want to disable the price alert, then you can come to this page and toggle off the button that you just created. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.